Right, Bruchim Aboyim, welcome everyone. Every Wednesday we try to learn a little bit from the holy Rebbe Elimelech from Lezhensk. This week's Parshas, Parshas Vayera. In the book of Genesis, chapter 12, verse 7, it says, Vayera love Hashem, and the Lord appeared unto him. The Heilige Rebbe Melech says, Naktim Lefarish Pasuk Lavram Zaken. Rebbe Melech says, Naktim Lefarish Pasuk Lavram Zaken B'Yomim. He said, first we have to explain in next week's Parsha, in Genesis 24:1, it says, and Abraham was old, and he was coming in days. And it says, Yomim. He says that the higher worlds are called days. And the saint in his holiness and sanctity reaches to the higher worlds. That's what it says, that Abraham was old. The word zaken, which means old, means that he acquired wisdom. Baba Yomim, he came with the days. It means to say until he comes to the higher worlds. Similarly, in the book of 1 Kings 1:1, it says that King David, he was old and coming with his days. That's what it says in Psalm 21 verse 5, that he asked from you life and he granted him many days. Then when it says he asked for life, it means he borrowed life. That because for a saint, the life of this world is like something that's only borrowed temporarily. For this reason, he comes stronger and keeps rising in holiness. Because you think maybe today's the day that I have to return this which I borrowed. That's what it means that he asked for life, meaning he borrowed life from you. That he considers his life in this world as just something that he borrowed, that he's just borrowing from God. And since he looks at the world in that way, you gave him long days. What does it mean, the long days? It means in the next world, in the higher worlds. That's what it says in our Parsha, in our Torah reading, our liturgical reading, Genesis 18 verse 1. And the Lord appeared unto him in the terebinth of Mamre. He sat in the tent door in the heat of the day. Meaning, even though Abraham was physically here on earth, but in his meditative state, he understood that his main place, even while he is alive in this world, was in the higher worlds. That's hinted to by the heat of the day. Meaning he was warm with holiness and attachment, connection to God. Like the warmth and the connection of the higher world that is called a day, as we said above, Kalahavan. This is easy to understand. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and we'll see you later.